up guys, I'm Yash and welcome to my channel. So this video guys is gonna be very special for my channel and for you too, okay? Because in this video I'm gonna make Mark 85 helmet, and that also with cardboard. I know that sounds weird, Iron Man helmet with cardboard, but trust me guys, trust me, that is gonna be very awesome. But before moving ahead, I have a small request. Those who are new to my channel actually, they really need to subscribe and click the bell icon beside that, because that gives you the instant notification when I put a new video up. And now, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. So hey guys, that was it, and I really hope that you enjoy the video to the fullest. And if you really did that, then don't forget to like, share this video with your friends who like to watch Marvel and art content.
Die-hard Marvel fans.
And at the end, thanks for watching this video. Bye guys, I will see you in the next video.